Finally, in section 7, we turn to the vocabulary for chapter 24. We begin with baka, to weep or wail, bana, to build, haya, to be, become, to come to pass, occur, or happen, chaya, to live or be alive. Notice that these are two separate verbs, one starting with he, the other with het. Chai, the related noun to chaya, life. Kala, and the kal, to stop, come to an end, or be finished. Or kila, in the pl, to bring to an end, consume or destroy. Kisa, in the pl, to cover or conceal. So the root is kasa, but it occurs in the pl form. Hika, in the hiphil, to strike or smite. You'll want to take careful note of hika because it is from the root naka, nun, kaf, he. Remember that in inflected forms, the he of a third he verb disappears. And remember that in many cases, the nun of a first nun verb will assimilate. So for instance, in the hiphil perfect third masculine singular form, we have the hi prefix of the hiphil, and then we have a, which is actually a mater. So in many cases, with the root naka, only one of the three root letters, kaf, will actually be evident in a conjugated form. You will therefore want to be very careful to note this verb and be on the watch for forms of naka, particularly in the hiphil, to strike or smite. Hish tahava, to bow down or worship, the hishtafel verb. Allah, to go up or ascend. And then he'ela, the same root, in the hiphil, to bring up or make go up. Ana, to reply or answer, give evidence or testify. Asa, to do or make. Pana, to turn to one side or to head in a direction or to turn to. Tsiva, to command or instruct. Notice the PL form here. Ra'ah, to see. Her'ah, the hiphil of ra'ah, of the same root, to show. And nir'ah, the nifal of the root, to appear or become visible. And then finally, shata, to drink.